पाँच पैसे पास होते तो चार चने लाते, चार में से एक चना तो असी घोड़ों को खिलाते, घोड़ों को खिलाता था पीठ पर बैठाता, पीठ पर बैठाता तो बड़ा
हम 4 भाई बहन हैं, एक बहन 3 भाई, संजय, संतु और मैं, और इस बहन है शारदा।
छोटे से यहाँ पे रहती हूँ। मम्मी पापा लेबर का काम करते थे। पहले पढ़ाना नहीं चाहते थे मम्मी पापा, लड़कियों को खास तौर से नहीं पढ़ाना चाहते थे।
मकान में साठ चल रहा था, तब वहाँ दीदी जी आए, उन्होंने देखा कि हम लोग खेल रहे हैं ऐसे मॉडर्न गिट्टी पे, तो दीदी ने कहा कि इनको शिक्षा दीजिए जिससे ये पढ़ सके, कुछ बन सके।
दीदी से मिलने के बाद दीदी ने समझाया कि लड़की को पढ़ाना चाहिए, आगे बढ़ाना चाहिए, आजकल भेदभाव नहीं चलना चाहिए।
तो पिताजी ने फिर अगले दिन से हम लोग स्कूल भेजा, अपना स्कूल जहाँ ससुरिया घाट में।
पहले हम लोग भी छोटा मोटा लेबर का काम कर लेते थे, लेकिन जब से दीदी के अंडर में आए हैं तब से कम हो गया, बंद कर दिया।
वहाँ प्ले ग्रुप से क्लास 7 5 तक पढ़ाई की, खाना पीना सब कुछ मिलता है।
तो वहीं पे पढ़ के आगे बढ़े हैं। वहाँ से 5-6 ही लोग आगे निकले होंगे, बाकी सब वही लेबर मिस्त्री काम करते करते आगे बढ़ गए हैं। पढ़ने में कोई नहीं है।
Ramchandran, and I came to Kanpur with my husband in 1968, IIT Kanpur, and I was teaching classical music in IIT. One day I saw my helper, her son was crying. He said, I also want to go to school. That was I felt very bad about it. I thought I am just preparing my child so well and sending him to school, but this child is this. There is an opportunity school running, especially for these underprivileged children. Then I just took these children when I had. This was when I thought, okay, let them go to at least opportunity school. They could have some experience just by going to school. This was going on for a while. Then I started the school. With me there were 20 students, committed students from Vivekanand Samiti, and the principal was also very committed. This one point I really want to stress, unless you have commitment and interest plus sincerity, you cannot do this kind of work at all. See, this RT, this Right to Education Act, that's not been fully implemented, because in the Act they have said that they will have a neighborhood school for these children. As the government schools are a kilometer, if it is going to be a kilometer away from this, and they would like to do this, have this neighborhood schools. But till today, it's not been implemented. This program has been running for more than 30 years now, and in the initial stages, the contractors never allowed us even to enter the brick kiln premises. But now, after some persuasion and with the help of the commissioner reporting to them, now they are allowing us to enter their brick kilns and then take care of the children, their schooling. उसमें ये भी प्रॉब्लम था. In the beginning, the parents, they didn't want to send the children to school. So we have to really persuade them and tell them, sensitize these parents to send the children. The children were very interested, but not the parents. So we have to do this. Most of them, they come mostly from Bihar and Jharkhand in brick kilns, and in the construction sites, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Orissa, and even from Bengal they come. So these children, the parents, they come with the family, and they work here for 6 to 7 months, and they are given small hut mats. Even the dwelling, जो भी झोपड़ी दिया है वो बिल्कुल ही हम नहीं कहेंगे तो बिलो ये स्टैंडर्ड है. On top of that, they are given only the wages are also very low. After the off season, that is in the month of July, August, September, October, when they get back to their villages, they are landless laborers and they don't have land, they don't own land, so they have to work in somebody else's land. And the wages, it's very minimal wages, so they are not able to meet their expenses, whatever, for these 4 months. So they borrow from the contractor. He lends them money, but he just, the interest rate is very high for this money. So even when they come back to the brick kilns and work here and get more money, they are not able to get out of this vicious cycle of bonded labor. They come here around November and then they stay till June. So 6 months or 7 months they are with us. So during that 7 months period, we have to really make them learn reading, writing, the 3 R's important things. And most of the centers are in Chawepur area, that is away from the city. It's in remote places because the brick kilns are situated in remote places. अभी तो हम लोग 20-22 सेंटर्स चला रहे हैं. उसमें से हर एक सेंटर में 30, 35, 40 बच्चे हैं हम लोग के यहाँ. एक्चुअली इसमें क्या हो जाता है, हर साल I cannot promise them कि the same set of people will come back to us. Since it's a floating population, जब गांव वापस जाने के बाद they may go to some other city and we just, the contact has been totally cut off. And उसमें से 45% children are continuing with their education and some of them are doing very well. In that way, many children have passed out up to class 7, 8, 10th, 12th, and there are 2-3 girls who have passed BA and they are working as teachers in Chhattisgarh village. See, there are now 12 children we are taking care of in the hostel. Mahesh Bhai and all of us together. And we are planning to extend this for 100 children, this hostel facility. And also we are planning to have a hostel for girls. Maybe after some years we can absorb more children. I have to thank some organizations. उनको ऐसे प्रेरित हुआ है हम लोग के काम से हैं, जैसे आशा फॉर एजुकेशन सिलिकॉन वैली और सी योर इम्पैक्ट फ्रॉम अमेरिका, I think from Washington, I'm not very sure, and Association for India's Development, Portland, and Mala Foundation. A big chunk comes from Mala Foundation for us. For the last 4-5 years, we are getting a midday meal program run by Mala Foundation. In that way, I really would like to thank him, not only for giving money, the kind of involvement and the attachment with the children. I always value that more than, just giving money. Anybody can throw money, but getting involved with these children, knowing their problems, that is very, very positive point. हमारे साथ काफ़ी IIT के स्टूडेंट्स भी जुड़े हैं, जैसे शिरीष यादव हैं, प्रणव महापात्रा, फैकल्टी में डॉक्टर शिवम and Mahesh bhai, and there are many other students, Praval, we are all working together. नहीं तो अकेले तो हम नहीं कर सकते इस काम को। हर एक काम ना सबके साथ जुड़ के करना, वो भी माइग्रेंट के साथ तो अकेले करना भी मुश्किल होता है। तो हम लोग सब मिलकर ही इसको आगे बढ़ाने के लिए उस कोशिश में हैं।
यदि ना होते ना कराते ये सब तो शायद ही पढ़ाई कितना पढ़ सके हम।
पढ़ाई करने से अच्छा फील होता है, आगे कुछ बनना चाहती हूँ मैं। आज मेरा BA कंप्लीट हो गया है, कंप्यूटर सीख रही हूँ, सिलाई कंप्लीट हो गया है।
जॉब बैंक में या कोई SSC के थ्रू किसी फील्ड में लाइक क्लर्क, ये मेरी इच्छा है मेरी भविष्य में बनने की।
आगे टीचर बनना चाहती हूँ, बच्चों को पढ़ाना चाहती हूँ।
कहते हैं लाइफ में पढ़ाई ज़रूरी है, जैसे हर आदमी को पढ़ना चाहिए, तो चेंजमेंट हो जाए लाइफ।